Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing how to name a window in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. To begin, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Next, navigate to the specific window that you want to name or simply open a new window. Step 3. Now locate the top section of the browser and right-click on the empty space next to the New Tab button. Step 4. From the context menu that appears, select Name Window. Alternatively, you can also click on the More button at the top right corner of Chrome and choose More Tools, then select Name Window. Step 5. A text box will appear where you can enter a name for your window. Type in a descriptive name that helps you identify its purpose or content. And there, you have it. You've successfully named a window in Chrome on your PC. This simple trick can greatly enhance your browsing experience by allowing you to keep track of multiple windows effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful or have any questions regarding Google Chrome or other tech-related topics, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.